Tornado Child for Rosalie Richardson. I am a tornado child. I come like a swirl of black and darken up your day. I whip it all into my womb, lift you and your things, carry you to where you've never been, and maybe if I feel good, I might bring you back all warm and scared, heart humming wild like a bird after early sudden flight. I am a tornado child. I tremble at the elements. When thunder rolls, my womb trembles, remembering the tweak of contractions that tightened to a wail when my mother pushed me out into the black of a tornado night. See, I am a tornado child. You can tell us from far by the crazy of our hair. Couldn't tame it if we tried. Even now, I tie a bandana to silence the din of anarchy in these kaya thick plaids. I'm a tornado child, born in the whirl of clouds. The center crumbled, then I came. My lovers know the blast of my chaotic giving. They tremble at the whip of my supple thighs. You cross me at your peril. I swallow light when the warmth of anger lashes me into a spin. The pine trees bend to me, swept in my gyrations. See, I'm a tornado child. And when the spirit takes my head, I hurtle into the vacuum of white sheets billowing and paint a swirl of color streaked with my many songs. See, I'm a tornado child.